Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd, 2024, and today was a pretty wild day because we had FOMC, so pretty important news at 1 p.m. Central. Let me break it down for you, starting with this 1 hour chart. We have the supply zone where wherever we approach this area, sellers step in and send us lower. So we hit that spot around 9 p.m. Central Time last night, and so whenever we hit this area, it started to send us lower. And there were a few plays that I liked today that I ended up taking, but they didn't offer 10 points, so they're not going to qualify as a number one play. But let me show you them anyway. So pre-market, we had this downtrend. We break out of it. So play number one is just a retest of the downtrend. So we break out of it, retest this area, pretty much this demand zone in yesterday's 34 area of interest. So we retested the downtrend at 805, and then we got a nice bounce off of that. And it was a little 9-pointer. Well, we didn't quite get 10 points, so that's why I'm not going to consider it play number one. Same thing right here. Whenever we approach this demand area as well as this 34, it didn't quite offer 10 points to the upside unless you got in down here, which don't see why you would have. But regardless, if you get in here, that was a good play, so you could have scalped that move. Play number one really didn't come until 1 p.m., so after news dropped, or right exactly at news dropped. It kind of formed like this bear flag, and so we rejected the 9-moving average, and then we dropped about 10 points. And then we ended up finding this new demand zone. So this is an hourly demand zone. So it started back over here Wednesday. You can see that on Friday the 17th, we bounced and got a nice bullish reaction off of that. So whenever we approach this area again today, same thing, got a nice strong reaction. So that was kind of the second play of the day. And you could have taken this play multiple times. So I actually took a long right here off of this wick. So it was kind of like an inverse head and shoulders. So we were kind of forming higher highs and higher lows. And so whenever we got back down here, I ended up taking a long, and that was a nice 10-point move. You can also see that it was another break and retest. So we have this downtrend, we break out of it, retest the downtrend, and so you could have also gotten in right over here around 10. So this offered multiple setups, and then of course NVIDIA had earnings after hours, and so that's where you have this weird action going on. And as of right now, we're starting to go up. So NVIDIA absolutely killed earnings as expected, and so we'll see if we continue to go higher and form some new all-time highs this week. So pretty much wraps it up today. I'll catch you tomorrow. I love you.